Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to our channel. In the previous session, we have discussed about the new words of the poem The Kite as well as the introduction of the poet Harry Bain, right? In today's session, let us know about the meaning of the poem The Kite. This poem The Kite is written by Harry Bain. He was an American poet, children's author as well as screenwriter. He would write stories for the movies. Here we have the poem. Before that, I will read the introductory line. All of us like to fly kites. Everyone is fond of kite flying activity. It is very joyful and enjoyable. Have you ever tried to fly one? Have you ever taken part of the activity, that kite flying activity? Read this poem about a kite as it flies in the sky. How the kite flying activity is very interesting, joyful and enjoyable. In the same manner, this poem is also very interesting. First stanza, I will recite it. Listen now. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Let us know the meaning of it. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. How bright means how beautiful, how attractive, how colorful it is. On the blue means in the sky. How beautiful, attractive, colorful it is in the blue sky. Is a kite when it is new. On the first day when it is brought to the ground. That kite, when it is new, it looks very colorful, attractive, beautiful. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. How it flies? With a dive. Dive is a movement of a swimmer, or it is used in sports, diving. With a dive and a dip, it is movement of the kite. It dives and it goes up. It snaps its tail. Snaps means cracking noise, cracking sound of tail. It snaps its tail. It makes noise with its tail. It cracks with its tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Soars means fly high. Fly high up in the sky. The bird soars in the sky means the bird flies high up in the sky. Then soars like a ship. How the ship soars on the ocean. In the same manner, how the ship floats on the ocean. In the same manner, the kite soars like a ship with only a string, with only a sail. Sail means a cloth used for ship that would help to float the ship. Canvas cloth used for boats or ship is called sail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. That ship has many sails that would help the ship to move in the way of wind. That wind carries the ship with the help of sails, right? Then soars like a ship. That kite flies high like a ship with only a sail. That ship has many sails, many cloths, but the kite has only one sail, that is thread, that is string, thread. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides. How the ship rides on the waves of the ocean. How the ship rides on the waves of the ocean. In the same manner, the kite rides over the winds, tides of winds, waves of winds. How the ship rides over the waves. In the same manner, the kite rides over the tides of winds. As over tides of wind it rides. Climbs to the crest. Climbs means head up or climb, reach the top. Climbs to the crest. Crest means top of the mountain. It has one more meaning, that is phases of moon, shape of the moon, half shape of the moon, that is crest. Climbs to the crest. Here it is referring the top of the moon. It reaches the top of the mountain. Sorry. Climbs the climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. Of a gust and pulls means with forcefully it pulls. Gust means forceful. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. It reaches the top of the mountain and it pulls forcefully. Then seems to rest as wind falls. After some time, if the wind reduces, if there is no wind, if the wind falls, then it seems like taking rest. Then seems to rest, that the kite comes down on the ground and it lies on the ground. It looks like it is resting. Then seems to rest as wind falls. I hope you are having the clear meaning of the poem. Now, next stanza. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new, but a razzeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. This is second stanza. Meaning is here, when string goes slack, you wind it back. When the string means the thread. When string goes slack, when the thread will be loosened, you wind it back. You have to pull it back. And when there is no wind, the kite comes down and there will be no tightness. There will be no tight between the hand and the kite. The thread will be loosened. That is slack. When string goes slack, when the thread will be loosened, you wind it back. At the time you have to pull it back and its wings fill and up it goes. When you pull the thread, at that time its wings will fill. Wings will be filled with air, and then it goes, and up it goes up. When the wings of the kite will be filled with wind or air, up it goes. How it is done? By pulling the thread. When the thread will be loosened, at that time you have to pull it back, and that action gets the wind. That action gives the wind to the wings of the kite. I hope you are getting the meaning of it. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. This first line is repeated here. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. On the first day, while the kite is flying in the sky, it looks very colorful, attractive, beautiful, and that moment is very joyful, enjoyable, right? It is very interesting. Then last 4 lines. But a razzeder thing you never will see. It is all about the happiness, enthusiasm, celebration. But the last line, what happens? Let us see. But a razzeder thing you never will see. Razzeder means torn thing. The kite which is torn, that is described here, razzeder. But a razzeder thing you never will see. While the kite is flying in the sky, everyone pays their attention. Everyone looks at it. They enjoy, they celebrate, they celebrate that moment with enthusiasm, right? But when the same kite got stuck in the tree, when the same kite got stuck in the tree or else in electrical pole, no one looks at it, right? But a razzeder thing you never will see. If the same kite got stuck in the electric pole or else in the tree, no one pays their attention. No one pays his attention, right? But a razzeder thing you never will see. At that time, how does it do the action? when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. When it is got stuck on the top of the tree, it doesn't fly. It doesn't have the same actions earlier it had, no? It doesn't have the same actions, just it flaps. Flaps means moving the hands up and down. Moving the hands up and down during the march and drilling, you might have done clapping and flapping. Clap, flap. Flap means moving the hands up and down like flying. When it flaps on a string in the top of a tree, just it waves its wings. It doesn't dive and it doesn't dip and it doesn't reach the top. It just is at the same place, right? This is the meaning of the poem. This poem is written by Harry Payne.